Get paid by installing apps. Make money online. Hey, Profitability Plus community! Ready to dive into the gold mine of making money online? Miss this video and you might miss out on the latest cash earning craze and even some Rolex-worthy market news. Looking to pad your wallet without breaking a sweat? Imagine this. Install Instagram. Pocket $15. Swipe right in PayPal and you're $20 richer. But wait, there's more. Discover an app where each download fuels your bank account up to a whopping $48. Buckle up because we're about to unravel the secrets of Free.com, a treasure trove of money-making opportunities. No corporate jargon here, just straightforward info. So what's the deal with Free.com? You can use it in your browser if you're working from your trusty laptop or desktop. Mobile user? No worries, just snag the Free Cash app from the Play Store. The numbers don't lie. Free Cash boasts a 4.6 star rating on Trustpilot, with over 50,000 users singing its praises. Positive vibes only. First things first, hit that sign up button. Why? Because you stand a chance to win a jaw-dropping $250 as a sign-up bonus. Creating an account is as easy as pie. Just enter your email and password, then crack open the free case to unveil potential windfalls. Use Cash Pro as your referral code, pop the case open, and watch the bonus coins roll in. But Free Cash isn't just about signing up bonuses. They'll literally pay you to download their app, a sweet 15 cents to be precise. Now, on your dashboard, you'll find a smorgasbord of apps waiting for you. Install a gaming app, pocket $22. Opt for another and you might snag a cool $32. Scroll down and you'll find different offer partners vying for your attention. A global money-making playground. Navigating the offers section is key. Make sure all is selected and voila! A plethora of apps from social media to gaming, trading, and beyond. Your earnings can range from 50 cents to a jaw-dropping $100 per app. The rates vary but the potential is real. And here's a bonus. You can be anywhere on the globe and still rake in the cash, just like the 7K plus users who cashed in this month. Now, let's talk bonus tips. Remember Honeygain from a previous video? Install and sign up, and you're looking at 17 cents. Click the offer, install Honeygain, claim your $5 sign-up bonus, and share 2,501 MB of data to earn another 17 cents. Pro tip: create a new account to maximize those earnings. Adjust your settings based on your device, desktop, Android, or iOS. Filter offers, explore sign-up incentives, or focus on high-paying game apps. Speaking of games, they're the real cash cows. Install, play, and watch your earnings soar. Choose a game, complete levels, and earn more as you ascend the ranks. Some games offer multiple offers, multiplying your income. Bonus tip number 2. Sort offers by the highest pay and voila! The juiciest opportunities at your fingertips. Some games pay a sweet $48 with an average of $30 per installation. The more games you install, the more you earn, geography notwithstanding. Unlock the leaderboard and amp up the excitement. Daily chances to snag $500. Just accumulate points like these savvy free cash aficionados. Spend a couple of hours daily and you could be rolling in real money. Imagine winning $500 on top of your regular earnings. Now that's a game changer. Ready to make free cash work for you? Dive into the offers, install those apps, and watch your account balance soar. Don't just watch, participate and hit the leaderboard for a shot at the daily $500. Time is money, and with free cash, you're in control. So what are you waiting for? Let the cash flow. Here are alternatives. Cointiply is your go-to rewards platform where you can earn cryptocurrency by engaging in various online activities, from playing games and watching videos to clicking ads and taking surveys. The possibilities are diverse. If you're an advertiser, you're welcome too. Sign up and run pay-to-click ads effortlessly. Established in 2018, Cointiply boasts a massive community of over 3 million members who have collectively received a whopping $12 million. Now, in a head-to-head with free cash, you might notice a few things about Cointiply. While it might not offer the best pay rates or the most consistent earnings, it's considered a safer bet. The user experience, although not the absolute best, is reasonable. Support might not be top-notch. Keep in mind, the payout minimum might be a tad higher, and payouts might take a bit longer. Switching gears, let's talk about Lootup, a GPT rewards platform that lets you pocket some cash by completing various tasks like surveys, sign-up offers, watching videos, and more. Launched in 2021, Lootup is in the capable hands of AdSend Media, a significant player in the advertising and rewards game based in the US. Comparing it to free cash, here's what you might discover. The pay rates and earnings consistency might not outshine free cash. Safety is a priority. The user experience could use a bit of improvement, and the payout speeds might not be as swift. Last but not least, let's dive into Idle Empire, a GPT rewards platform with a focus on helping users earn money through surveys, offers, and videos. Established in 2015 and based in Germany, Idle Empire has a special place for those seeking game-based rewards and cryptocurrencies. When stacked against free cash, here's a quick snapshot. Pay rates and earnings consistency might not take the lead. Safety is prioritized. The user experience could be better, and the payout speeds might not be lightning fast. Meet Givey, your go-to get paid or GPT rewards platform. It's your ticket to earning real cash by playing games, watching ads, completing offers, filling surveys, and more. Established in 2020, Givey Limited, the brains behind this operation, is a registered company based in Bulgaria. Here's the lowdown on how Geeky stacks up against free cash. The pay rates and earnings consistency might not be top-notch, but Givey is your safer bet. The user experience might not be the fanciest, but Givey's got your back. Support might not be the flashiest, but it's there when you need it. Payout speeds? Well, they're not breaking any speed records, but they're getting the job done. Next up, let's talk about Inbox Dollars. This GPT or Get Paid to Rewards platform has been dishing out cash since 2000 for taking surveys, searching the web, playing games, and more. Currently operated by Protage, a big name in consumer insights, they took the reins in 2019. How does Inbox Dollars fare against free cash? Well, pay rates and earnings consistency might not outshine, but Inbox Dollars has its safety game strong. The user experience might not be winning awards, but it's there for you. Support might not be throwing a party, but it's got your back. Higher payout minimum and slower payout speeds? Well, it's a bit of a trade-off for the good stuff. And there you have it, the lowdown on free.com, the platform where your clicks turn into cash. Need to cash out? No problem. With a mere 50 cents, you can choose PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or even gift cards. The world's your oyster, or your cash register. Most importantly, remember, you only need $5 to cash out via PayPal. Stay tuned for more Profitability Plus tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.